One of the biggest steps in saving for retirement is deciding whether to go it alone or hiring someone to help. Who better to turn to on this topic than Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. Always a pleasure to have you here, Craig. We want to know, what are your tips for picking a financial advisor? Where should people begin?
You just need to start interviewing 2 to 3 different financial advisors. And the hallmark of what's going to be a great relationship is great communication. You are looking for an advisor who ultimately has the heart of a teacher, someone who wants to educate you on all of the different options that are available. And that's rooted in listening. It's active listening. A good financial advisor is ultimately going to be someone who is a great listener.
What if the advisor starts to try to push somebody into investing into something that may or may not be good for them?
A good financial advisor knows that they are nothing more than in a place of service to you, because it is your money, your family, your outcomes that matter the most. So my advice to the consuming public out there is, if you ever have a conversation with a would-be financial advisor where you walk away and it feels a little bit rushed, it feels a little bit salesy, you feel that they're not listening, instead they're telling, well, that's a clear and evident sign that you probably need to interview some other professionals, because no one should have a relationship founded in sales.
What are some credentials to look for?
Identifying a fiduciary advisor who's going to do all of your financial plans under the CFP standard of care. I think that's a great starting point for anybody who's looking to partner with someone to improve their financial outcomes.
What about fees and commissions?
Well, I think at the end of the day, fees should be reasonable. But fees are going to vary based on the comprehensive nature of what someone needs. Someone who's simply looking for investment advice, that's a different schedule than someone who's looking for the totality of advice. I think at the end of the day, it's as simple as this, Angie. There needs to be value inside of that relationship. And most often that's going to mean a fee-only fiduciary advisor who's probably not going to charge commissions, but someone who's going to work on a flat fee expressed as a percentage of assets, or a flat fee for the financial planning on a retainer basis that's delivered each year.
How can people find you, Craig?
Well, reach out to us on the web. Let's connect online in a digital format. Investwithwmg.com. That's investwithwmg.com.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.